So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Eureka Forbes Inverter AC and one error is coming in that AC or the running light of the indoor unit is blinking once, then how can you fix this error? That too can be done very easily. So let's start the video. If E1 is coming in Eureka Forbes AC or running light of indoor unit is blinking one time, then it is the error of indoor unit room temperature sensor. This sensor is installed in the coil of the indoor unit. This error can occur in your AC due to three reasons. It is possible that the rat may have cut the wire of the room temperature sensor. If the rat has cut the wire of the room temperature sensor, then reconnect the wire. Then this error will be completely fixed. And if the rat has not cut the wire of the room temperature sensor and still this error is coming, so you look at the sensor connector in the PCB. This error also occurs due to loose connection. Or even if you remove the connector and reinsert it, this error will be fixed. And even after that it doesn't get better, then you can change the room temperature sensor. Then this error will be completely fixed. Generally this error occurs due to sensor problem. Most of the time this problem gets completely cured by changing the sensor. And if this problem is not fixed after changing the sensor, then you will have to change the power circuit board. I hope you have understood the information given by me. Then please like my video.